What if I told you this glass could explain why people get sick?
Let's keep your toxin glass low. Here's how. Imagine your body is a glass. Every day, toxins from our food, water, air, stress drip in.
Your liver, kidneys, lungs, intestines, and skin work hard to flush out toxins.
But if toxins pour in faster than your body can get them out, the glass overflows.
Over time, this overflow can lead to serious diseases.
So how do you keep the glass from overflowing? First, reduced toxin goes in. Second, eat clean foods, drink enough water, move your body, and get enough sleep.
Keep your toxin glass low, and your body will thank you more energy and better health.